In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate web.crypto.com for an easy and seamless experience with your digital currency. Let's get started by heading over to the home page of web.crypto.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the wallet section. This is essentially your digital vault where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies and keep track of your transactions. After clicking on wallet, the next crucial step is to deposit some cryptocurrency into your account. Find and select the deposit option. This feature will allow you to add funds to your account, making them accessible for trading, transferring, or holding for future growth. Now, let's move on to one of the most personalized steps, choosing the type of cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Take your time to review the options and click on the crypto you're ready to work with. It's essential to ensure you select the suitable cryptocurrency, as each type may have distinct properties and transaction behaviors. The next step involves selecting the network you'll be using. This decision can have implications on transaction speed and fees, so make sure to highlight the network that best suits your needs. Clicking on the highlighted option will lead you to a network selection where you can finalize your choice. This stage is vital because the network determines how your transactions will be processed and the associated costs. Once you have settled on the network, click on the specific cryptocurrency within your wallet. By doing this, you are displaying the detailed view of your transaction options. It's a straightforward action, but it confirms your selection and prepares your account to receive your chosen cryptocurrency. For the final step, you'll need to either copy the provided address or utilize the barcode feature to complete the deposit process. When you copy the address or scan the barcode, you're ensuring that your funds will be directed accurately and securely to your crypto wallet. This step is critical to avoid any errors that could result in the loss of your digital assets. By completing these actions on web.crypto.com, you'll be well equipped to manage your cryptocurrency efficiently. Remember, it's always wise to double check each selection you make to ensure a smooth and error-free experience. With these steps, you're now ready to embark on your crypto journey confidently. Thanks for following along and enjoy building your digital financial future.